This is an unboxing of the Victorinox Compact, model number 1.3405. And this is the barcode here. Swiss Army knife made by Victorinox, made in Switzerland. So this is the Compact. Let's see what's inside the box. First time I'm opening the box. First time I actually have a look at this. Okay. Two layer. Okay. Compact. Oh. Interesting. There is something else there. Information. When it gets rusty, these are the oiling points here and here in the middle and on the edge. Use mineral oil and the tweezers and toothpick. Okay, so this is the Victorinox Compact pocket knife, Swiss Army knife. It really looks compact and it has a pin. And the screwdriver, really, like it has a lot of other pocket knives that don't have this. Only the Swiss Champ, as I know, and some. So far, this is my first pocket knife. So far, this is my first Swiss Army knife with a screwdriver like this one and with the pin. There, it's hidden. This ring is still a bit shaky. And the other side. This one is really nice and clean. I like the style of these red Seridor scales, especially when they're new. Two layer, really compact. They call it compact for a reason. It really is compact. Compared to my Victorinox Tinker, compared to a Classic SD Alox, Classic SD is much more pocketable. Even the Mini Champ Alox, you could say it's still thinner than the Compact, but you don't get the full functions from those. So let's see here. A bit hard to pull. I think the other ones, they were not so hard, but wow. Tweezers. Let's see, super compact. I think it was never opened. Oh, double. So we have the plus scales with the toothpick, pretty soft, and a little pen. You have a ballpoint pen. Could be useful actually. Okay. There's the corkscrew and the pin. The pin is a bit difficult to take out like that. It's a bit hard to remove. Okay. It's a simple pin, but could be useful. It's also very solid in there. And then there is this tool. screwdriver for glasses or for really tiny devices. Hold securely. I really like this one actually. Wow. Wow, really hard to open this one. I'm gonna break my nail. Wow, it's so hard to open it. Almost broke my nail. I have a small trick for this one. In my tinker, I have a magnet, and it will fit better. This magnet for the parser hook fits perfectly, kind of. Yep. Nice and secure there. The scales are very clean. I had another one with traces of some, even this one, there is the oil from the tools also. A little bit of the oil. Okay, this side is finished, not much there. This side is finished. Let's check the other side. Most important, the main, I think the main or the blade. It's the blade. There is the oil on it. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Very solid clunk. Really sharp, as usual. Officer Swiss. Very well made, actually. It feels really solid, the whole thing. Feels really. Then there is the oil. And on this side, instead of the secondary blade, we have an oily cap lifter and a bit of a screwdriver. The shape is a bit different, more bendy. This is the Ranger, also a bit more bendy than the Ranger. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a bit more bendy here. The tinker on the right, it's more like the usual, and the compact on the left is a bit more compact, like that. Bit oily, which is good, keeps the rust out. Yeah, really compact here. Halfway lock. So you have the knife, the cap lifter, and the, what is it? The scissors. Scissors are really big. Wow. Really full-size scissors. Wow. These are the scissors of the compact. The Ranger scissors and the compact scissors. Tracing the same to me. I think they are the same. Yeah, they are the same. Okay. Full size scissors, wow. Nice and chunky, big scissors, okay. And that's it. It's super compact. It has the pen extra. No can opener, but you can use the knife to open the can. Maybe even that cap lifter, you could try to use it for cans. I think this could open a can also. Like this, action, down. Open the can like that. Maybe that's why it's made different.